What's up, mi gente? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to become a Florida licensed real estate agent and start making some money. So there are only 2 criteria that you need to meet before registering to your Florida license course. And that's to, number 1, be 18 years of age. And number 2, have a high school diploma or equivalent education. So now that you've met those first 2 criteria, let's move on to the good stuff. So I suggest that you start to apply for your Florida Real Estate Associate's license through the DBPR before you start the course. So reason being why you want to start your application process with the DBPR is because you can finish your course and then not be eligible to become a licensed Florida real estate professional. Remember, the application process can take up to 30 days, so we need to be sure that we get on it. Now our next step is to sign up for our Real Estate Associates course. Now you can take a course online or you can take it in person. Find out what schools are near you. Once you completed your Florida Real Estate Associates course and you passed it, now it's time to schedule the state exam. After passing your state exam, the real fun begins. We start to search for our brokerage. You make appointments to all your local brokerages and see what their commission rates are, what their education is, what type of courses they provide for their agents. Now this step is really important because you want to make sure that you choose a brokerage that best fits you. Number 1, that they're experienced. Number 2, that they are hands-on with their agents. And number 3, that they do provide all of the courses that you need in order to set you up for success. And now that you've chosen the perfect brokerage for you, it's time to choose your board. Now here in South Florida where I work, there are 2 boards to choose from. It's important to do your due diligence into how many boards there are located within your county or within your area. After choosing your board is where the real fun starts. Now you're ready to start making some money. It's time to hustle. I'm going to be teaching you in my next video your first 3 steps that you will need in order to start making some money in Florida real estate.